Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to insert checkbox in Microsoft Word. Let us begin. And first step, make sure the developer is visible in your Word ribbon. If it's not visible, you can enable by clicking on the File, More, Options, then Customize ribbon. Here we have Developer, Untick it, and then OK. Now go to Developer. In Controls section, we have Checkbox. Now if you click on it, as you can see, it's crossed. If you want to add another symbol, go to Properties. Here we have checked symbol, it's already crossed. You can change it. What symbol you want, you can add it. For example, I want to add plus. OK. And then OK. As you can see, it can be changed. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and give your feedback in a comment.